The food and beverage industry, while showing a commendable growth pace, has also been plagued with a series of obstacles. Food products now are not just judged by quality, but nutrition content too. Moreover, newer markets, changing consumer spending, increasing food prices, global appetite, and advanced technology are forcing manufacturers to change the way they handle existing manufacturing process and challenges. Opting for an ERP solution, specifically BatchMaster ERP, is the way forward. Packed with features specific for food and beverage manufacturers, BatchMaster ERP for Food connects the supply chain, departments, data and processes into a single ERP to give your food manufacturing business the insight, visibility, and control it needs to get to the next level. It handles hundreds of products, thousands of ingredients, and corresponding number of custom recipes, along with their n number of sizes and packaging with ease. Whereas the integration with FDA/USDA database brings about the essence of innovation by allowing achieving desired nutritional content right while developing the recipes. With BatchMaster ERP for Food, the active recipe is available in production, where it can be scaled, substituted, and produced in a streamlined manner after following an in-depth planning process, considering the demand and supply, and specifying when to produce, how much to produce, and what to produce. The solution empowers you with strong and smart integration of quality assurance with HACCP program that keeps the entire supply chain in control and allows the production of safest possible product. The rising concerns about product traceability are addressed by BatchMaster ERP's bi-directional traceability and recall capabilities that tell consumers what goes into making of their product and where the defect or deviation is, that too in a minimal time. This concern has led ingredient labeling to be a major part of the packaging process, and BatchMaster ERP through its nutrition labels, supplement fact sheets, ingredient statement reports, and more, fulfills it with complete ease. Given the limited shelf life and being highly susceptible to foodborne pathogens among others, if not stored hygienically, BatchMaster ERP helps you govern the lot movement as per GMP, allowing only the quality products to move ahead in the supply chain. Issue based on LIFO, FIFO, expiration date, shelf life etc. ensures minimum wastage and optimized inventory. These things together help you meet the optimum level of stringency in the regulatory space covering EPA, FDA, FSSMA, OSHA, FTC, FASI and others. These and other numerous features like catch weight, lot strength, allergen management, integration with e-commerce, COPPA, material and package costing, vendor management and more make this ERP a perfect solution for all the sub-industries belonging to the food and beverages group. With availability on-premise and on cloud, select the secret ingredient of your success with BatchMaster ERP, business made simpler.